This is the installation demonstration of Smart Power sliding gate operator 1800 kilo model SPACM SG 1800. This is a electromechanical motor. This is the base plate. First the motor has to be put on the base plate. Base plate need to be tight on the RCC foundation, and then the motor need to be placed here. This is the wiring diagram of the motor. You can see these are the three main power connection: neutral, live and earthing. These are the 3 pin. You can see here, these are the 3 pin: neutral, live and earthing. Then you can see these are the wire: ground, open, close, stop. Ground is a blue color, then open is yellow color, close is green color, and stop is red color. So this is the 4-wire connection for the operation of open, close, stop. Then you can see photo cell. These are the two: photo power plus 12 volt, and this is ground and PS. Ground and PS is for the NO contact. This is the photo cell. You can see this V minus and V plus, V minus and V plus. These two will be shorted with the power, and this common and NCNO, common and NO. You can change the NCNO from this pin. Normally in this 1800 model, NO is used, common and NO. This common and NO will be connected to ground and PS connection. And you can see the alarm light. Alarm light is going to these 2 pin. This 2 pin is going to the alarm light AC 220 volt. So this is the motor connection. Now I will show you the operation. When you press the open button means you can also short the ground and open. You can also short the blue and yellow. You can see the motor is opening now, and the alarm light is glowing. When the gate is opening, if somebody will come in between, the photo sensor will not work because the gate is opening mode. Once it reaches the end position, this reaches the end position, and now it is coming back because of the auto close function. This is the auto close function. If you turn it right, the auto close will be very fast. If you turn it left, then the auto close will be slow. So by this you can adjust the auto close. I make it like this, and I stop it here. Now the gate is closed. If I again make it open, you can see the gate is opening, and it reaches the end position, and now it will start auto closing. The delay has been increased a little bit. It will start auto closing after a predefined time. Just you see that now it is closing. At that time, if you come in between, the photo sensor will work. You can see the photo sensor has worked, and if you remove the hand, the gate will start operating. It is again start closing. So this is the operation. If it reaches the end position, the gate will be closed. So this is the photo cell operation, and this is the gate operation. During power fail, you can also operate it by manual. I will show you how to operate the gate during power fail. Now you can see, now it is not moving. It is just a minute. Now it is locked. It is not moving. It will only move with the power. Now when the power fail, you just remove this, open this 90 degree. You have to open this fully 90 degree. Then it can work with the hand also. You can see it is working with the hand. This also operate with the remote control. This is the remote control. If you press it open, that it is opening. When you press stop, it will stop. You can see this is the coding for the remote control. There is a coding mechanism inside the remote also, and if you match these deep switches with this remote, then the remote will be matched to this. This switch is called you can see Direction adjust. You can adjust the direction of the motor with this switch. This switch is for meet obstacle. This is for the auto rebound technology. When you make it on up, the auto rebound technology will be on, and you can adjust the force by adjusting this one. If you turn it anti-clockwise, the force required will be more. If you turn it clockwise, the force required will be less. This is the limit switch adjustment, left or right, which limit switch function, left limit or right limit. So this is the limit adjustment. This is the meet obstacle, auto rebound technology on off, and this is the motor direction, and this switch is for the auto delay. If you make it clockwise, delay will be very fast. If you turn it left side, the auto delay will be off, or it will be much delayed. This is about the operation of the control panel. Thank you very much.